Hi, my name is Colin from Sliding Sash Windows. Today I'm going to show you our new white wood grain window with the brand new seamless welding in the corners. We're one of only a few companies in the UK to offer this, and it's a huge improvement from when the corners, where the foil was welded in the corners and there was filler put in and it was always raised a little bit from the wood grain. So this is our Evolve window. As you can see, it's got run-through horns on this particular one. The frame of the Evolve window is 135mm deep. On this particular window, we have a sill, which is actually the bottom of the frame. This is a 150 sill, so it measures 150mm from front to back. This one has an upstand, which is a decorative part on the inside. As standard, we supply a 150 sill without this upstand, and it just projects a little bit further from the front of the frame. We also offer a 180 sill, which protrudes 45mm from the front of the frame, or a 225 sill, which protrudes 90mm from the front of the frame. The frame of the Evolve window on the outside is 50mm at the sides and at the top. If you're replacing timber sliding sash windows that have got cords and weights, there's more room on the inside of your house than there is on the outside. So you can fit this window behind the external brickwork, and you can hide as much of this 50mm as you want to, which gives you more glass and less frame. I normally say to people to measure the external width and add on 50mm, so 25mm per side. You can do the same at the top. You can add on 25mm or a bit more if you want to. If you've got a small arch, you can hide some of the arch with this 50mm. So the good thing about the uPVC sliding sash windows is that they slide up and down like a normal timber sliding sash window, but also you can tilt them in to clean them from the inside. This one doesn't tilt in very far because it's just a small sample. Normally if they're bigger, they tilt open a bit more. You can slide the top one down, and this one also tilts in for easy cleaning. As you can see at the top of this top sash, there's brush seals to keep the wind and weather out. On the top here you will see a packet that comes with all the other things you need for the window. It's got keys for the lock, it's got sill end caps, it will also have pole eyes. There's one if the window is less than 1 metre wide, or two if the window is more than 1 metre. We supply these loose because they can get damaged during transit and not everybody wants to fit them. So we supply those loose. We close the window like so and slide it down. And then we can lock the window in the old-fashioned way with the fitch lock. This one has a key, so it can be locked when not using it for safety. As you can see on this window, we've got safety restrictors. These can be pushed in or out, i.e. on and off. And you slide the window up, it doesn't go any further than that. This is ideal for some ventilation and to stop young children, for example, falling out of a window that is very low to the floor. You just push them in like so, and then you can push the window up to the top. Just slide it down, and the window can then be locked in position like so, and you can lock it with a key if you wish. On this window we have satin chrome furniture. This is an additional extra. The window comes as standard with white furniture. You can choose from this satin chrome, some people call it brushed chrome, or you can have shiny chrome or gold. Also on this window is not fitted, they're in the top, in the bag. There are sash lifts that are screwed on the bottom here. They're like finger pulls. You can pull the bottom sash up with that. Once again, not everybody wants them. We supply them loose. If you want to fit them, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. As you can see, we've got stickers on the windows. The windows sealed units are made with Pilkington K glass, very energy efficient glass. We've got a 1.5 U value as standard, and they're A rated. Inside the sealed unit, we have the spacer bars. This one is grey. Grey is standard. We can also offer it in black or white. So just to recap, this window in smooth white, up to 1.25 metres wide and 2.3 metres high, is an amazing £299, including VAT. The window comes with toughened glass in the bottom as standard. You can have any design of astragal bar layout that you wish. You can have, for example, 6 squares at the top. You can just have 1 vertical bar if you want. The bars are planted on the outside of the glass, and there is a spacer bar behind the glass, so they look like individual sealed units, but in fact they're just one sealed unit divided into the different squares. This window has a standard bottom rail. 95% of the windows we sell are like this. It's also possible to have a deep bottom rail, which is about 100mm in depth. Some old timber sliding sash windows have this detail. As an additional extra to be specified if you want. We sell our windows nationwide all over the UK, and these days also we export all around the world. Obviously not everybody can get to see a sample of our windows, so one of the reasons for making this video was so that you can see hopefully the quality of the window, which is available at such an amazing price. If you've got any questions, I'm always available on the telephone during the week for technical queries or anything else. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Thank you.